Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to crochet a pair of round crochet earrings. So let's start making it. To make these earrings you will need crochet hook 1.0mm, scissor, a tapestry needle and a stitch marker. For this tutorial I have used some beads to give it a nice look. As you can see I have added beads by using this tiny eye pins. I have used that to add these beads to the earring hooks. I have done 2 of them. Also I have made some more beads to add them in the bottom of the earrings. You will also need a plier. You will also need some size 10 crochet thread. Start with bright yellow color. I'm going to make a magic ring around my finger. Wrap yarn around your finger like this, and with the help of your crochet hook, pull up a loop from the working yarn, twist it and then do a chain. This is how you do magic ring. Next we'll do 2 more chains. So this is the second chain and then third chain. So altogether we have done 3 chains, and this first 3 chains will count as a double crochet. If you want you can mark the third chain with a stitch marker so that you will know where to join your round. I have marked it with a stitch marker. Next I'm going to do 9 double crochet in the magic circle. To do the double crochet I will yarn over the hook, then insert the hook in the magic circle, yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over again and pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. This is how you are going to do your double crochets. Next we are going to do 8 more double crochet in the magic circle. So this is the second double crochet. As I already have done chain 3, this first chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet. So I have done 2 double crochet, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if we add the first 3 chains as a double crochet, altogether we have done 10 double crochet in this round. Now to do the joining, I will tighten up the magic circle and I will join into the third chain of first 3 chains by making a slip stitch. I already have marked the third chain with a stitch marker, so I'm going to join just in this chain that I have marked with the stitch marker. I have used slip stitch to join this round. Start round 2 by making 6 chains. So here I'm going to do it. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. These first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and then I have done 3 more chains. So altogether I have done 6 chains. If you want you can mark the third chain of this 6 chains so that you know where to join your round. After this I'm going to do a double crochet in the next stitch. This is my next stitch. So here I'm going to do a double crochet. Then I will do chain 3, chain 1, 2 and 3. Next I'm going to do a double crochet in the next stitch here. So do a double crochet in the next stitch. Then do 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains. Repeat the pattern of double crochet and then chain 3 until you reach the last stitch. I will show you how I have done the last stitch, and also I will show you how I have done the joining. Here we are near at the end, so I will do chain 3, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the last stitch. This is the last stitch. So let's do a double crochet there, and then we'll do chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. So I already have done, with chain 3 I have done 10 double crochet in this round. Now I'm going to join this round in the third chain that I have marked with the purple stitch marker by making a slip stitch. So here I'm going to join into the third chain. I have made a slip stitch to join it, and then chain 1 to fasten off. Cut off your yarn here with the scissor and fasten off. This is how the project looks like after second round. Use a needle to weave in the end, then trim off any extra yarn left. Here we are in round 3, so we'll start this round by adding red yarn in any chain 3 space. So I'm going to make a slip knot first. I always like to use slip knot to add yarn because it is really secure. So I will pull up a loop here. You can use any chain 3 space. Then I'm going to do a chain, a single crochet in the same chain 3 space. After that do 2 half double crochet. To do the half double crochet, I will yarn over, insert my hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of these 3 loops. I'm going to do another half double crochet. So I have done 2 half double crochet. Next I will do 3 double crochet, I think. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. Do 2 more half double crochet around the chain 3 space. So here is the first half double crochet I'm doing, and then the second half double crochet. We'll finish this petal by making a single crochet. So as you can see, it looks really lovely. I will show you again how I have done this petal. So let's do the second petal. Start by making a single crochet around the chain 3 space. Then we'll do 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Next we'll do 3 double crochet. So this is the first one, second and third. After that we're going to do 2 half double crochet again. So 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. We'll finish this by making a single crochet around the chain 3 space. So in the next petal we are going to repeat the same pattern. So keep repeating this pattern for all of these petals. There will be 10 petals and I will be back after doing all of these petals and I'm going to show you where to join this round. As you can notice, we have come to the end of this round. So here I'm going to join my round. This is the 3rd round and we are going to join in the first single crochet. This is the first single crochet stitch. I'm going to join by making a slip stitch. Here you go, and then I'll do chain 1, trim off the yarn here and fasten off. Next we are going to block this project to give it a good shape. I have used spray starch to do the blockings, but you can use water if you don't have that. Also you will need some pins and a blocking board. Here is my project and I'm going to spray starch or water as much as I can to make it wet. Then pin it up to give it a nice and beautiful shape. Leave it in a safe place overnight to let it get dry. My project has dried up now. I'm going to use a plier to add earring hooks. As you can see, I already have added the beads to the earring hooks. I have used eye pin to add it to the earring hook. Also, I'm going to add these beads. I already have added some jumper rings, so I will add them in the bottom of the project. Open up one of the jumper ring using the plier, or even you can use your fingers. So as you can see, I have opened a gap. Insert this jumper ring into the hole of the eye pin here. I'm going to insert it, and now you can add this jumper ring into any petals. Make sure you have inserted it into the middle of any petal. This is how the round earrings looks like after adding all of the beads and the hook. Thank you for watching this video tutorial and hope to see you again. Happy crocheting!